The case of Jerome Aba, a Filipino human rights activist who was detained at San Francisco International Airport and denied entry into the U.S. despite having a U.S. visa, left many startled, confused, and wondering how and why this type of incident may occur. Joining me to discuss this issue and to help prepare for this type of immigration scenario is attorney Nancy E. Miller from the law firm of Reeves, Miller, Zhang, and Diza. Welcome, attorney.
Thank you.
Good to have you again. Now,
good to be here.
Maybe I'm oversimplifying this, but doesn't it mean that if you have a U.S. visa that you would automatically be able to be entered into the United States?
That's a common misconception, but the answer is no, it doesn't. Having a visa allows you to enter the airplane because the airplane or the airline can't let you onto the plane without a visa, and it allows you to stand in line at immigration to be inspected.
So everything but be entered into the United States.
Everything but,
Now,
yes.
What are some of the reasons as to why someone with a valid non-immigrant visa be refused entry into the U.S.?
Well, the officer who's doing the inspecting is trying to determine that the person coming in really is eligible for the visa that they are coming in on. For example, they're coming in as a visitor. Are they really planning to stay here? Are they planning to work here? That's a violation of a visitor's visa. Have they previously been here and overstayed their visa? Have they had a criminal conviction in the past that would bar them from coming here? All of those are possibilities.
What happens if they render someone inadmissible?
Well, the first thing that they will do is question the person in line. If they suspect that they're not eligible, they will send them into another room, which is called secondary inspection. And that
doesn't sound too good.
Well, it isn't. No, it sounds exactly like what it is.
Yeah.
That's a far more intense inspection. There's more questioning. In the meantime, while you're sitting there, you're not allowed to have an attorney. You have no access to a lawyer. They are checking through all of their data banks.
No contact to a lawyer. So what are your rights when you're in
Almost none.
And how long can they possibly detain you in secondary inspection?
I have known people who have been in secondary for 8 hours or more.
Going back in the case of Jerome Aba,
yes.
There has been friction between he and the Duterte government in the Philippines. Yes. Is that something that would make him liable to claim credible fear interview, for instance?
I can't say that for certain because I haven't spoken to him, but if he did have a fear that the Duterte government would harm him, it is certainly something that he could raise or could have raised at the airport with the officer. As far as we know, he did not do that.
All right, well, thank you very much, Attorney Miller. Now, for those of our Canadians who may have similar concerns, why don't you go ahead and invite them over?
Okay. I would actually like to see them before they make their travel plans, because that's the time when we could really be consulting each other about the right visa and about the potential problems that they would face. So give me a call or give our office a call at the number that's at the bottom of your screen.
All right, no more fear. Attorney Miller is here. Thank you so much, Attorney Miller. We'll see you again soon, all right?
I hope so. Take
all right.
care.
Thank you, mga Nation. Here's some more of our Adobong Patikim.